Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1999 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. For a binary half subtractor having two bits A and B, the correct set of logical expressions for the outputs difference and borrow. Difference is A minus B and borrow is X. So what will be the correct expressions for this one? What was given is nothing but binary half subtractor. Half subtractor, and that too it is performing A minus B is on operation it is performing. So the inputs are going to be A, B and difference, and this is going to be borrow. These are going to be the outputs. So for all possible combinations of inputs, what can be the outputs we can expect? So D, B are going to be the outputs. D, borrow, that is nothing but in this case it was given as X. Borrow is given as X. Okay, so D comma X is going to be outputs. So there are two inputs, that implies nothing but there will be four possibilities. So for all four possibilities, the difference is going to be, so first 0 minus 0, difference is nothing but A minus B operation. A, B both are 0, so difference is going to be 0, no borrow is required. 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 is nothing but 1 is larger than 0, so this subtraction requires a borrow. So it requires a borrow. Whenever you are taking a borrow, like this you are doing 0 minus 1. Whenever you are doing 0 minus 1, at that time 0 is smaller, 1 is larger. So you require a borrow from the higher position. So this is decimal, this is binary, so that 2 will come as a borrow. 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1 you will get. So a difference of 1 as well as a borrow of 1 is required for this one. Difference of 1 and a borrow of 1 you will get. Next 1 minus 0, difference is 1, no borrow required. 1 minus 1, 0, no borrow. So this is, if you assume this is going to be min term 0, min term 1, 2 and 3. By that time D can be written as D is equal to function of A comma B, which implies nothing but sigma m of 1 comma 2, which is nothing but m1 plus m2, m1 plus m2. So by that time m1 is nothing but 0 1, 0 1 is nothing but A bar B plus A B bar, 2 is nothing but A B bar. So D expression is this one, and X is equal to borrow is also a function of A comma B, and whose minterm for which it is going to be having 1 is nothing but only single one, that is 0 1 is nothing but A bar B. So X is going to be having a value of A bar B, and D is having A bar B plus A B bar. So the right option for this one is nothing but, right option for this one is C. So C is the right option for this one. D is A bar B plus A B bar, and X is equal to A bar B. Thank you.